Welcome back, Yolk fam. It's been a little while since I've soaked an egg in some random bullshit. Today, I'm rocking the Buldak. Now, I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but this person I work with, we'll call her Fallon, told me that I should try the Buldak hot sauce. It is spelled B-U-L-D-A-K, so Buldak? Buldak! Buldak! You be the judge. Today I'm going with that double XL spice. 2X spice. Without further ado. Whew, what the? Well, it's got some heat. You know, the other Yolk boy told me before this that stuff tastes like ramen, and he's kind of right. It has like a salty, chili flavor to it. Not what I'm used to, but pretty good. Ugh. Let's get our eggy in his jar. In we go. Nice and dark. Almost blood-like. Really blood-like, actually. Seal it up. And we'll see you next week. Alright, Yolk fam, we're back. And you know what that means. That's right. 1 whole week on these. I don't even remember. I'm gonna go for it. Whoa! Okay, it's coming back to me now. This is like that savory, brothy type hot sauce. Okay, yeah. Honestly, it smells like beef or chicken bouillon. That's the hint that I'm getting on my nostrils right now. Kind of hard. Not a fan of that. Why is it so firm? Why? Yikes. That sure did take on a lot of color. This is weird. Very weird. It's very hard, very weird. It still kind of has like that bouillon smell to it. Brothiness, I guess. Yolk's up. Woo! Heat immediately. Wasn't expecting that. Straight up, right in your face, tingly heat. Not overbearing by any means, but woo! The egg was way softer than I expected, just by the outside feel. It's got a good salty, brothy taste to it. This is really good, not gonna lie. I think if I tweak this a little bit to make it a real recipe, you could really have something nice here with this hot sauce. I don't know if I would soak them for a week just straight up like I did, but there's something to this. They're almost like a ramen egg. They have that salty brothiness to them like a ramen egg, but punch heat right up front. Woo! I'm gonna give this one a 7.9 out of 10. Thanks, Fallon. You might have turned me on to something here. Wow. Woo! That's a review.